Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. So, it's October, and you know what that means? Inktober. The last 2 years I've done it, I've drawn every single day, done every single prompt for the list that I was using that year. But this year, I kind of wanted to take a little bit of a step back and pretty much only for sure do a drawing on the art days that I post normally. So, it's like 5 of them, I think, this month. The first year I did Inktober, I followed the creator of Inktober, Jake Parker's prompt list. And then, like I mentioned, I drew every day, I did ink only, and yeah. It was a little tough, but I somehow managed to get through it. And last year I followed the prompt list for Drawtober, which was created by 2 artists that I've been following for a while, Tim Von Ruden and Key. Since theirs was just Drawtober, it was kind of like you could use whatever medium you want. They even didn't mind if people did like sculpture and stuff, which was pretty cool. I know that sometimes people can be pretty hardcore about like the whole Inktober aspect of it. For me, I'm like, as long as you're drawing every day, I personally see it as more of a practice thing, so as long as you're making something, I think that that's pretty darn good. But for me personally, I tried to stick with the ink only, and I'm doing that again this year. This year, I'm following a different prompt list, one made by Jamila Nomf. Hopefully I'm pronouncing her name right. If not, then I'm so sorry. She made a prompt list that is botanical witches, and I thought that was a really cute idea. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this year. Again, I'm going to stick with the whole ink aspect of it and do ink drawings, but instead of doing like I did last year where I pretty much strictly just use my Pentel brush pen, I'm also going to use a Pentel brush pen that I filled with some teal ink. And I'm going to use a dark gray brush pen that I have just to help add more detail, I guess. So yeah, the one that I'm doing today is the Rosemary Witch. So I have her holding a rosemary branch. Or you could even say it's like a really rough wand. Or maybe she just picked it and is going to make it into a wand. For her outfit, I was inspired by a fantasy gown designer named Joellen Elam. Again, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name right. On Instagram, she's known as Firefly Path. I'll leave a link down below to her Instagram. In fact, I'm going to leave a link down below for everybody that I mentioned. But yeah, she does fantasy gowns, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and I feel super inspired every time I see her work, and I thought that this Inktober drawing lended itself well to doing something inspired by her. So yeah, in fact, I might actually do every piece inspired by one of her gowns, maybe. Are you guys doing Inktober this year? If so, what prompt lists are you using? Are you planning on trying to do every single day, or are you gonna be like me and kind of just do them when you can? So here's my piece, my first Inktober of 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you are doing Inktober yourself, then good luck. Don't be too hard on yourself. It is pretty tough trying to do something every single day. I know, I've done it multiple years. It gets really tough. I mean, that's why I'm not doing it in full this year. Thank you guys for checking out my video, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!